Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen, struggling with cumbersome appliances that make food preparation a daunting task? Say hello to the Kitchenaid food processor, your ultimate culinary companion. With its innovative design, user-friendly features, and precision control, this food processor will revolutionize the way you approach cooking. Here are the key features of Kitchenaid food processor: 7-cup Condor silver. Effortless usage and cleaning. The Kitchenaid food processor is designed with your convenience in mind. Its one-click, twist-free bowl assembly and latched lid ensure easy setup, making it a breeze to use. Cleaning up after meal prep is a delight, thanks to the sealed, leak-resistant work bowl and dishwasher-safe bowl, lid, and accessories. Say goodbye to kitchen mess and hello to effortless cooking. Compact design for easy storage. In a world where kitchen space is a valuable commodity, the Kitchenaid food processor stands out with its compact design. The in-bowl accessory storage keeps your countertop organized and clutter-free, while the convenient cord wrap ensures easy storage after use. Embrace a tidy and efficient cooking space with this space-saving appliance. Precision control at your fingertips. The Kitchenaid offers 3 speed options: high, low, and pulse, and easy press paddles with illuminated LED controls. You have complete control over a variety of ingredients, allowing you to chop, puree, shred, and slice everything from cucumbers to tomatoes, cheeses, and more. Prepare your culinary creations with precision and finesse thanks to this remarkable food processor. Versatility in every slice. The reversible medium slicing, shredding disc, and multi-purpose blade take versatility to a whole new level. From preparing soups to whipping up sauces, this food processor handles it all effortlessly. Experiment with a variety of shapes and sizes using the 2-in-1 feed tube, unleashing your creativity in the kitchen. Enhance your sauces and dressings. Creating delectable sauces and dressings is a breeze with the small pusher's oil drizzle opening. Achieve the perfect texture and consistency in your culinary creations, adding a touch of finesse to your dishes. Model, a complete package. The Kitchenaid food processor comes with everything you need to streamline your meal preparation. The package includes a 7-cup work bowl, a latched lid for easy assembly, a versatile multi-purpose blade, and a reversible medium slicing, shredding disc. With this comprehensive set, you're well equipped to handle any culinary challenge that comes your way. In conclusion, the Kitchenaid food processor is a game changer in the kitchen. Its easy usage, cleaning, and storage make it a must-have for every cooking enthusiast. Say goodbye to tedious meal preparation and embrace the efficiency and precision of this powerful appliance. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice cook, the Kitchenaid food processor will become your go-to tool for all your culinary adventures. Don't miss out on the opportunity to simplify your cooking routine and elevate your dishes. Invest in the Kitchenaid food processor today and experience the joy of effortless food processing. With its innovative features and user-friendly design, this appliance will become an essential part of your kitchen arsenal, making every meal preparation a delightful experience. So, take charge of your culinary journey with the Kitchenaid food processor and unleash your inner chef.